Hello, a very warm welcome to you. First, let me thank you for accessing this course because it is an opportunity for me to first get your time and interact with you. Really, thanks for that. Hope you like the music as well as the quotations. In fact, if you look at each one of these quotations, each one of them they have a lot of meaning, value, and depth because they're all based on years of experience of the people. But we may not be able to implement each one of those quotations in reality on the ground in each and every scenario because of several factors, right? For example, one of the quotations says, never compete on price, instead compete on value. Perfect. 100% we all agree to that. No doubt in it. But the question here is it practical? Can we implement this in each and every scenario? May not be. There could be several, business challenges. There could be some practical challenges, right? Practical scenarios on the ground we may not be able to implement. There will be some situations where you have to fight based on the price. It's a price war, right? See, as long as we understand the true spirit and meaning of these quotations is perfect. So pricing is very important and very critical subject area in any business, right? For example, you may be providing a service for your customer or you may be selling a product to them. Your customer may be from any business domain. They may be from any part of the globe, right? They may be with you for last several years or several decades in some cases, or it could be a new logo you are trying to bid and win right now. It doesn't make any difference. In all these scenarios, pricing plays an important role. Yes, depending upon these scenarios, you would change your strategy, your approach. That's okay. But pricing as a concept, plays an important role. Okay. Now, when it comes to the pricing, right? What are the basic expectations from customers? We want the best quality at the lowest possible price. You all agree, right? Because we are also customers in our in a personal life. You want to buy an apple, you are a customer, right? So this expectation will not change, overall, right? It will be there, right? However, there has been a change to this thought process, from the customers today, right? Customers today are thinking something different. They are expecting something different, right? What exactly is this? We are going to discuss in depth in this course. And more important, there has been a significant impact of digital technologies on this chain thought process of the customers. So that's another important aspect to be discuss. And this is very critical. Why? Because entire business, entire world is digital today, right? As per Gartner, more than 85% of the projects today are related with some or other digital technologies, right? That's why this aspect is very very important. Point you should have a crystal clarity. Are there any specific pricing models for digital technology based solutions? This is another important point to be discussed, right? So we are going to discuss all these aspects in depth, in this course. Now, let me introduce the topic name. The topic name is Innovative Pricing Models for IT Services in Digital Era, right? So we are going to talk about pricing innovation. We'll discuss different models and we'll see how we could make them more innovative, okay? And this is exclusive for IT industry. It is not a generic course. And we are going to discuss about a digital, technology, digital era, right? All the digital technologies, how exactly the pricing would impact. So the main objective of this course is provide comprehensive practical knowledge on pricing. That's the main objective, right? And optimize on the ground self-learning time. See, because what I had seen and the experience of different practitioners, most of the cases, suppose a project manager or any delivery leader would like to learn about a project management, program management, or some technical topics. There are several courses available in the market, but when it comes to commercials, pricing, financial, these kind of topics, there are very few, right? Not many courses, and most of them they're all more of a theoretical knowledge, right? Not the practical. So this is where actually what I thought my experience would help add value. So because people today, majority cases, they struggle in a hard way to learn about these commercials, right? That's where actually I thought this course should help the participants. This should save around 25 to 30% of the self learning time for the people like project managers and above on the ground, right? To learn about these commercials and pricing kind of subjects. So that is the reason why I have come out with this course. Okay. So now the main sections of this course are, I'll just explain very high level. In the next video, we'll get into the details. So we'll go through the key concepts of pricing, and these are very important concepts, which is about which the complete knowledge is required, for you to, gain a complete understanding of the pricing subject. Okay. We'll discuss about them. Then we'll go to the popular pricing strategies. We'll understand, which are all those strategies which are actively being implemented in IT industry. And these very important leading pricing models, right? So we'll go through all leading pricing models. We'll thoroughly understand. We'll get into the depth of each model. Go through pricing in digital technology engagements. So how pricing is done in different digital technology, type of engagements. Very, very important in today's digital world. And pricing of intellectual property, because everything is digital, a lot of new inventions, and IP plays an important role. Okay, so these are all the things what you are going to discuss. So just to summarize, these are the 6 key learnings and demonstrable behaviors, right? You will be able to understand key concepts, and you will know which pricing strategies to apply to which particular customer's context, and you get a complete knowledge about the pricing models, and not only pricing models, different variants in each model. Then which type of variant would be right fit for your customer's context, right? You'll be able to do that. And the pricing in digital technologies, you will get a complete clarity on this. And leverage outcome-based pricing models, right? These are most important, right? Because in fact, these are need of the hour, right? In today's digital world, customers are expecting outcome-based kind of pricing engagement, right? So there is a in-depth discussion about outcome-based pricing models with a lot of case studies and examples, right? And of course, you will learn about the IP pricing. So these are the key 6 learnings, and of course, many more. My objective is to improve your confidence in the pricing subject. Okay, so who all can go through? Project managers, delivery managers, program managers, all these kind of roles who play actual, manage actual IT service contracts, and quality managers, quality consultants, sales, pre-sales teams who, get involved in IT contracts, and of course, finance teams as well, because they play a key role in working out the estimates, and working out the pricing models and all this stuff. Okay, are these details sufficient to make a decision about this course? I don't think so, because last 5-6 minutes we discussed very high level about this complex topic and this course, right? I don't think it is sufficient for anybody to make a decision about this course. So hence I request you to squeeze a few more minutes from your busy schedule and go to these 2 more videos. Then video number 1, where I explained very briefly about my profile, and the next video is about the course structure and coverage. So in this video I explained in detail about each section and which are the contents covered under each of those sections, right? And in fact, I have shown some of the sample slides from the actual course as well. So then you will get a complete picture and you can make a decision, right? Either way, whether to register or not register. Of course, I request you to register, but anyway, I respect you because, you're the customer. Your decision is final, okay? So hope to see you in the next couple of videos. Bye.